Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm, and in that order. And we're kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. So y'all just come on in, grab a seat, take a look, and have a listen, because you don't want to miss a thing. Hey y'all, welcome to tonight's video. Y'all remember seeing the video where I made up my 5-minute no-knead bread? And I made those little mini loaves in the air fryer? Well, guess what? I'm going to take a leap of faith tonight, and I'm going to take the remainder of that dough that I reserved, and I'm going to see if I can do my homemade pizzas in the air fryer. Are you ready? Let's go do this together. All right, y'all, this is what I'm going to try to do. Y'all see that bread dough? Y'all, it has just been keeping in that refrigerator, good and spongy. I'm going to half this between me and him, because I reserved just enough to make 2 little personal pizzas. Y'all know, remember that your dough is going to be kind of sticky. That is just enough to make a little personal pan pizza. All right? Y'all wet your hands if you have to, but I've got my little surface floured here. This is not going to be hard to make a pizza, y'all. My granddaughters can make their own pizzas. We have fun. I make the same dough. This is how I make my homemade pizzas at home. But y'all, I just want to see it if I can do it in my air fryer. I'm sorry if my table is shaky. Oh, but I'm going to see if I can get my dough smushed out like I do at home, y'all. But this shouldn't be hard, because this is going to be smaller, okay? Y'all, I'm going to have to get my little dowel here. I've got my other little rolling pin that I travel with, but let me get my little dowel here. And because I found one of these at home, and y'all, it's just going to fit my purpose for traveling if I don't spill all my stuff over here. Let me get this out. Looky here, I got a dowel. All right, let's get it kind of floured up. Look at there, y'all. I've got all my fixings on my table, y'all. Now, I am going to have to be careful, because I'm only going to be able to get this so wide, okay? So let's see. Yeah, okay, I'm only going to be able to get this so wide. So I'm going to roll my dough out. I'm going to try to keep it in a circle if I can, y'all. I may have to use my hands still and get it in a circle. Yeah, I like my dowel, y'all. I found this in my craft closet, actually. And I'm like, hey, I can use that. Okay, let's see if we can get a little more round than that. I'm not good at a circle, y'all. It may be a little square, it may be walky, but we're going to try this, y'all. Let's see. Let's see if I can do this in a better. I may be able to do it better with my hands. We just need just a big enough piece to make a personal pizza. But I need it more. I'm going to bake it on this paper, y'all, because I'm going to drop this down in my air fryer. So I need a little bit more space. Yeah, let's just do that. Let's work this dough out some more. Okay. And I think I'm staying within the radius, circumference, whatever you want to call it. I'm not getting too big. I am starving. I let time sneak up on me. And because I've been sewing up a storm, and I let time sneak up on me, y'all, and I'm like, oh, I gotta get supper made. Okay. Okay. Y'all, you see that gluten, how much it worked, y'all? Because this is stretchy. Okay, stay down. Okay, we're just gonna work with this, okay? I've got my sauce here. We're gonna get our sauce on there. Y'all, I cannot wait to try this, because I'm really hoping that this works. Really hoping this works. I have not attempted to do any in the air fryer yet, but you know what? We're going to learn today. And if this don't work, I guess I'll be going to the little Domino's down the road and picking us up a pizza if this don't work. Y'all, I'm always telling you, don't be afraid to try things, okay? Just see if it don't work, tweak, try something different, whatever. All right, there's the sauce. All right, let's see. We're going to get, I like a little bit of cheese down first. I love a cheesy pizza, y'all. I do not like a pizza that is not cheesy. I'm cheesy. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of cheese on here first. And then we're going to put, I'm just going to put everything on here but the kitchen sink, y'all. I've got him some mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms that well, but I'll put a couple on mine. I don't really like mushrooms that well. I'm going to save the most for him. I'm just going to put a couple. This will be mine. Okay, then I've got some onions here. I don't like big onions, y'all. I don't like a lot of peppers. I'm just sausage and pepperoni, whatever. I'm okay with. I'm going to save the majority for him, his pizza, load his up. Let's see what I can do. I love making homemade pizzas, y'all. And like I said, I will give a pinch of dough off to my granddaughters. Let them go to town making their own pizzas, and they love it. All right. Oh, I'm just going to save the majority of the vegetables for him. Or if this works out, we'll have pizza another night. Okay, that's enough vegetables for me. That's enough enough peppers. Okay, now let's slap that. Oh, no. We got to have some capers on our pizza. Have y'all ever had capers on your pizza? I need to drain some of this liquid because I don't want to stick my finger down in there. Okay, I got some of the liquid out. Y'all, there is nothing like capers on a pizza. There is a restaurant that we love to eat at one workplace that he goes to. And y'all, they make the best pizzas and they put capers on them. And oh my gosh, put you some capers on your pizza. That's all I can say. Okay, now we're going to go in with the pepperoni. And I like pepperoni in every bite. I will load up with meat. Yes, girl, I will. Or guys, there may be guys out there want to make them a little personal pizza. There we go. It needs kind of like one in the middle. Look over there. Okay, now we are going to transfer this to the air fryer. And that's what I like about this paper, y'all. You can just lift this baby up and transfer it over to the air fryer. Perfect fit. Look over there. Now, I am going to have to, I got it a little long. I am going to have to turn my paper down because the tips of that will hit my eye up there and it will scorch it. And I don't want to set off any alarms. And I don't want to fire in my air fryer. Okay, y'all. Now, we're just going to bake this. And I think I'm going to do, let's see, what am I going to do? Let me set y'all up here. Let's try, y'all see my sewing box over there? Y'all. Okay, oh, all the way in. Let's do, I'm going to do 400 because if I was to do this at home, I would have it on 400. And let's try 20 minutes first, y'all. And we will see. All right, y'all. You ready? Look at that. The only takeaway is the pepperoni. It gets a little crispy first. So I might tweak and go down with the temperature. Yeah, I think I'll go down with the temperature because my element is up there and that pepperoni is closer to the heating element. That's the only thing, y'all. I think I'll just back down on the temperature some. Let me get this out, set it over here. We'll cut it up and we'll taste test. All right, y'all, I am so sorry. I got so excited about that pizza. I got it out, got it on the table, cut it up. I got me a slice here. I am so sorry I didn't get that. I was just like, I'm hungry. I'm not just hungry, I'm hangry because I'm hungry and angry at the same time. I got to eat. Okay, so I got me a little piece here, cut up. I got me a little slice. Look at the texture, y'all. Look at that. Look at that breading, that crispiness. Did y'all hear that? Let's see what this tastes like. Got me a little piece cut off. It's not perfectly cut, y'all, because I don't have a pizza cutter in my utensils box. I need me a pizza cutter now. Okay, let's taste this. Oh, hot. Oh, hot. I should have. Oh. Oh, I should have blew first. Y'all, that crust, the peppers, the onion, y'all, them capers. Ooh, I love them capers. But what I will do is, since the pepperoni is so much closer to the eye, I will back down on the temperature and just play with the minutes and just kind of keep an eye on it. This is mine. I got hubby's in there now. I got mine out. I showed y'all mine and I got it all. I just got excited, y'all. I'm so sorry I didn't let you see me cutting it up or anything. I'm just hungry. I got his in there now. I learned from mine and I'm like, okay. So when I put his in there, I did back down on the temperature and I'm just playing around with the minutes. I think I went down to 375 and I'm playing around with the minutes to see what it actually needs. So when I figure it out, I'm going to write it down in my little book so I'll know for next time. But y'all, I know now just by playing with my food and taking that leap of faith, then I can make our own homemade pizzas in the air fryer. Excuse me, using that 5-minute no-knead bread dough. Because, y'all, I use that bread dough for pizzas, any kind of breads, rolls. I think I've used it for cinnamon rolls before. Y'all, go fix you up a little homemade pizza in the air fryer. Just know your air fryer. Play around with the time and temperature. You can mix it up on parchment paper and put it down in there, y'all. I'm going to enjoy my supper. I got homemade pizza in the air fryer when we're traveling. Y'all, go play with your food.